Okay, in this video we're going to make that condiment shelf that the customer will have access to from the outside of the trailer. I went to the Home Depot and I had them cut this plywood for me before I left the store. They have a plywood cutter, pretty accurate, makes it easier to carry. So this will be I had them cut this piece too, and that'll be to close off the top on the inside. So I'm just going to take some 2x4s and I'm going to cut them down so that they can be here like for support for this here. So I'm just going to cut them to fit the perimeter and then some perpendicular to the long axis. Okay, I thought I would need some more support, but when I stand on it, it doesn't even move, so I think I'm going to skip that. So I got the plywood on the 2x4s. What I'm going to do is flip it over on an edge. I'm going to run some screws through here to tie the 2x4s all together. Alright, so here's the shelf. We got the 2x4s around the perimeter. I was going to add some more, but it's super strong just the way it is. So I think I'm going to go ahead and see if it fits. And it looks like it does.